Latvia AB 3,000 euros net plus social security, Italian flag to embark 1414, and a flag of convenience if you are a Latvian citizen and you are an immigrant, in a flag of convenience on board a cruise ship or a fish ship, other flags, then you don't get the pension, so you have to pay for it. About 500 euros if you get the max. Also some 55 euros of sanitary assistance. So in total it's 550 euros. If you sail under Italian flag and you're an AP, here you have a huge competitive advantage because this is 3,000 euros net plus Italian social security. We are investigating also around the unemployment benefits because according Italian unemployment, after 2 years or more you get approximately 2 years. We will confirm this later, and as contracts for starting would be 4 months on, 2 off approx, then the unemployment will have to be accrued, added until 2 years to get these 2 years. But this is something also you can investigate yourself because it's a huge competitive advantage. Flag of convenience, and Latvia does punish those immigrants. And same in Spain. Spain is 700 euros the maximum pension, and then sanitary assistance also is 6 euros, very low. But they don't have under immigrant situation the unemployment, which is a huge competitive advantage. And so please like and subscribe. Latvian APs, the passenger and Ro-Ro, we're talking about the passengers, 67,000 ton ships, 55 units, and then also 22 Ro-Ros, total is 77 units. Let's say we have 10 guys, 10 APs per ship is 770, at home let's say 40%, so it's 1,200 jobs for Latvian APs today. It's a huge opportunity because it's 3,000 euros net. We're still about to find out the collective bargaining agreement, Italian labor unions and the ship owner, that how much would it be for 2026. It is a mystery, but I guess inflation adjusted will be every year. So there is a 150 pages collective bargaining agreement, and it's Italian language, no English. So like and subscribe, pass throughout this Latvian social media and the WhatsApp groups you have, because it's a huge competitive advantage. I hope you like this video. You need to fill in the ship owner format, the crew inspector, a Latvian company, crew inspector Candina format, the Italian basic that you have read and understood, because you have to join the company and slowly all the operations and the manuals and the security of the ship owner in Italian flag, Mediterranean waters, huge ships, and also the Codice Fiscale, which is the code you need to be employed under Italian social security and Italian labor conditions. Thank you very much indeed for your time. Bye.